What's cracking, y'all? If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. If you guys are returning, what's up? But my name is Jale, and today I'm going to be... I'm always forgetting the box. How could I forget? What's wrong with me? I need to remember the box. But I'm reviewing Tinashe, this 14-inch wig. Like, so cute. This is really cute. But I'm gonna show y'all how I installed this cute little wig and show y'all how y'all could rock it too. Ooh, ooh. But no, so I'm gonna show you guys how I installed it, and please most definitely check out all of their wigs, because it is really, their wigs are really cute. I can't wait to get some more wigs from them, because their hair is really amazing. Like, if it's anything like this one, yes, because this one is so soft, and I love the curls. The curls are amazing, and the lace, you barely see it. Like, yes. So let's get into the video, and I'll show y'all how I installed this cute wig. Ignore that. But I'm gonna be reviewing Tinashe. It's so cute. The cute little box. And so inside, so it comes with the box, and he also gave me a cute little bag. With a little booklet on how to take care of the hair. Bonnet. So cute. And also a wig. So of course this is how the hair looks. And sorry for all the noise in the background. They decided to turn the leaf blower on this late in the day, so sorry about that. So I'm just hooking the hooks on the wig right now so it can fit my head. And then normally I would take my tinter and tint it, but actually I'll do it a little bit. Just spray it a tad. It already is a little brown for my skin tone, but just sprayed it a little bit. Didn't need that much because it's already brown enough. this is how it turned out. So of course I parted it down the middle because I wasn't really a side person when it comes to wigs. I always like my wigs down the middle. So I parted it down the middle and just tucked it behind my ears. And this is how it looks. I ran my fingers through some of the curls, just, you know, fluff it up a little bit more. But this hair is really cute and it's nice and full. Like, it's not no, you know, thin type of wig, and it feels so soft and so amazing. I haven't had any shedding. Of course, the only time I had shedding is because I cut the lace on the sides and of course cut a little bit of the hair on accident. But other than that, there's no shedding, no nothing, just softness and no smell to it, just cuteness all around. But this wig is seriously amazing. You guys should most definitely check out their wigs and order from them, because I may get some more, because I just look at this bounce. Just look at it. It's amazing. So I really want you guys to check out the wigs and send me some screenshots of y'all rocking the wig, because like I need to see how y'all looking in the wigs, because I need to see how fly all y'all are, because I know you guys are gorgeous and amazing, and I love every last one of you guys for tuning into all of my videos and getting advice from me. I love all you guys, and I'm so glad that you guys are loving my videos. So comment below of what more tutorials you want to see and what more reviews from which companies you guys would love for me to review, and which you guys is your favorite hair company, and which your hair company and hair. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye.